Okay, so it's been 35 minutes and this is what it's looked like. Wow, lovely and golden. Right, I'm going to put it on the chopping board. Wow, fresh out of the air fryer, golden brown, so crispy. Look at the chard on the side here. Wow, I think I'm going to be doing it this way more often. Look at the caramelizations on this part. That's going to taste amazing and make it crispy. I hope you can hear that crackling. There. Yeah. Another 10 minutes, so that's the third 10 minutes now, and then we're gonna go for some more later.